Hello again, it's Nancy Mazo at notablynancy@gmail.com, and I'm here today with a mini series. I hope it will be short and sweet about Corona Career Reset. Okay, first of all, I want to make sure and wish everyone continued health and safety at this difficult time. Okay, whether you're a teacher currently at home because your school's closed, or you're currently home because you're out of work or you can't get to your job, it might be a really good time, and I want to explore with you the possibility you might want to consider of teaching English as a second language online from home. Okay, the first point I want to cover is, what do you need in order to be able to teach English as a second language online from home for the company that I work for? Okay, for the company that I work for, you need a bachelor's degree. It doesn't need to be an education, but you do need the bachelor's degree. Number two, you need a year of teaching experience. It can either be formal or informal. In other words, if you haven't taught in a classroom, but you have a little prayer group at church, or you work with kids in the neighborhood, that can also count as part of your experience. Number three is that you need the eligibility to either work in the US or Canada. Okay, I want to very quickly go over some of the advantages of this type of work. Number one, in a situation like this, where if you have a job outside of your home and you don't know when you'll be going back, it gives you the opportunity to really start bringing in money while you're at home. Okay, you determine your own schedule. At the company that I work for, VIPKid, there are no minimums. Okay, so you really determine what schedule works for you. You can earn up to $14 to $22 an hour, which is really nice pay. You can work up to doing this full time, or you can do it part time, and it can really interface with the other things that you are doing. Okay, so what now? How can you get started? Okay, number one, please subscribe to my channel, and I will leave the link below in the description box. I have a video about is an online teaching career for me in 2020 to help you decide if this would be a really good option for you. Okay, or drop me an email at notablynancy@gmail.com and ask me specific questions that you might have about getting started. Okay. Number three, you could sign up with VIPKid through my referral link, and I could help you to get through the hiring process, and I'd be happy to do that. I am a certified mentor of new teachers, and it's something that I do and I'd love to do. If you do end up signing up through my link, please send me an email to know that you've done that so that I can reach out to you and help you. Okay, goodbye. See you next time. Have a great week.